Are you a couch potato? Do you watch TV or play video games in your free time? Do you eat junk food and drink soft drinks when you watch TV or films? Change your couch potato habits and become a healthy teen. Exercise is wise. It helps you look good and feel happy. When you have some free time, go cycling or play basketball with your friends. It is lots of fun and you get in shape too. Your favorite series is on and you feel hungry. Instead of biscuits or crisps and sugary soft drinks, get a bowl of fruit with a glass of juice. Fruit and juice are delicious and they're not fatty like junk food. When you don't feel like going out, turn on the radio, find your favorite tune and start dancing. It's fun and you'll burn lots of calories too. There are lots of different ways to keep moving, to eat healthy food and to stop your couch potato habits. There's no excuse. Get off your sofa and change your lifestyle today.